ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Favorite ko, Copico Blanca. Delicious na, di lang yarn. Creamy, di lang yarn. Ang gentle pa sa Tommy. Switch na, Copico Blanca. Creamy, gentle pa sa Tommy.
Panibagong araw, panibagong kwento naman mga Mars. Dito lang sa Kapwa Confession. Ano na Mars? Hello mga Mars! Welcome to Kapwa Confessions, where we prove that every relationship argument is actually just an academic paper waiting to happen. I am Jennifer, ready to psychoanalyze your dating profile. Today, we are asking, can Psikolohiyang Pilipino explain why your partner is still using their ex-Netflix account? We have a real-life couple who have graciously agreed to let us put their relationship under the SPA microscope. Please welcome Neo and Yunora!
Sana okay lang kami after this.
Hi everyone! We're here to be an example of healthy Filipino relationship. Mostly.
Wow! So sweet na kayo guys!
Thank you.
Yunora, Neo, let's start with the core concept, kapwa. Means shared inner self, more profound than just other people.
Kapwa, amo na sa akong magbaka sa Neo pizza kag siya magbayad. Amo na tayo nga duwa. Kag shared resource na iya. And kung hindi pag-iatag sa ako ng una nga slice, that's a violation of kapwa.
That shared responsibility reflects concepts like social exchange theory in Western psychology. But kapwa adds the moral weight of shared being. Now, let's move on to pakikiramdam.
Okay, if my wife says, ay nakakaya naman mag-ask ng help, my pakikiramdam tells me she desperately needs me to stop what I'm doing and solve her problem without being asked. In Western terms, I think they call that mind reading in cognitive psychology.
Kabalo na sa...
Excellent! Leonora, what makes Neo's loob clean?
His loob is clean when he remembers our anniversary without a reminder. When he chose to end our loob, I reward him with silence during his video game time. It is a positive reinforcement strategy.
Brilliant! Now that we established the terms, I sense a need for a break. My pakikiramdam is telling me na kailangan na natin mag-commercial break.
Are you tired of saying I'm fine when your loob is screaming? Are you holding back your feelings because of hiya? Do you feel a lifetime of utang na loob to your parents just for existing? Introducing Direct Speak, the revolutionary new supplement that bypasses pakikiramdam. Stop relying on subtle cues and start delivering blunt, Western-style communication. Direct Speak. Finally, you can be totally walang hiya. Not recommended for family gatherings or dating.
Welcome back! Nagbabalik ang Kapwa Confession. So, Leonora and Neo, let's discuss a classic issue, family dynamics. Who carries the heavier load of utang na loob with your respective families?
definitely. I got a big promotion, but my mother didn't say congratulations. She said, good, now you can pay for your cousin's tuition. That's a utang na loob installment plan. I felt Ria just thinking about saying no.
Perfectly illustrate how the Filipino value system influences coping. The pressure to uphold the utang na loob and avoid hiya can lead to severe burnout or suppress.
I have a simpler family dynamic issue. My mom keeps asking Neo about when we're getting married. Every time we visit, she's violating his pribadong loob.
The audacity! Let's explore that in our final segment. Is Psikolohiyang Filipino still relevant today, especially in this age of TikTok and AI? Neo, as a modern Filipino man, what's the challenge?
The challenge is the sheer speed of the global influence. We're trying to communicate with pakikiramdam while watching Hollywood movies that teach us to be direct and individualistic. It causes cultural whiplash. My loob gets busy.
But the relevant is that it's our only vocabulary for what we actually feel. Psikolohiyang Filipino is the key to understanding Filipino consumers, students, and employees. Academically, it gives us something unique to contribute.
What's the opportunity of Psikolohiyang Filipino?
Individual psychological practice. The opportunity in integrating Psikolohiyang Filipino into therapy. Instead of simply diagnosing anxiety, we can explore the source of hiya or the burden of utang na loob. We can develop treatment plans rooted in pakikipagkapwa. It makes psychology truly healing for Filipinos.
So, thank you, Leonora and Neo, for opening up your loob to us. You've proven that SP isn't just academic framework, it is very structure for our modern lives. Remember, kapwa, at lagi nyo lang tandaan na always keep your loob in check and check in with your kapwa. At dito nagtatapos ang Kapwa Confession. Ano